Hello everybody, I'm back again. I'm here to do a really quick show and tell. I wanted to share a few pockets that I made, and I just thought I'd share with you guys and show you what I did. I'll start with this one. I guess I got my little pile here. I decided to decorate this time, which, let me show you real quick. I did a bunch of sewing. Look at this. These are all little tucks and pockets that I stitched, and I still want to do more, but I'm going to go with this one first. This one is basically the same envelope or pocket, whatever you guys want to call it, but it's just used in a different way. The first one I did was this one. This is basically going to be an insert that's just going to go on a pocket and a journal. And once you pull it out, I put one of these, I just stuck one of these little thingies on paper and just cut around it, and it has a little flower. Hopefully that comes out. This paper is from Tsunami Rose. I think it's her Jane Austen kit. And this little postcard came from, oh my goodness, from Pinterest. There you go. So here I just have that little bubble thingy. I don't know what you call them, but it just pops up. I didn't do anything to the inside, because I do want, to show that it's a book page. It's kind of covered on the other side. And here I have another little journaling card that I got from Pinterest. So I thought this was cute to just use it as a little insert inside your journal pockets. Add a secret note, maybe a thank you. Pop it in your pocket. I thought this was a cute idea. Then I went ahead and did the same one, but this time I did an envelope. And I just backed it with some pretty paper, which, by the way, I went to Michael's for thread. I spent $65. Hubby didn't want to look at me, so you know what? What can I do? Paper was cheap. It still is. $5.99 for what, 48 sheet? And this one is, what did I do to it? It's this one here. I mean, oh my god, paper is gorgeous, and it's the hot buy, so they come up for $5.99. Recollections, but how pretty is that paper? I mean, just look. Oh my god, I am so in love. And then it's got tags that you can use. Oh, I think that was one of them. But I mean, oh my god, it's got butterflies. Look at that. Beautiful. That's all I have to say. And I actually got 2 of these because I don't want to run out. So yeah, throw that over there. Take a sip of my coffee real quick. So anyways, back to the tags or pockets. This one ended up being a little envelope, and I just added some fabric on the bottom, a little piece of that paper, some of this thingy like lace, eyelash trim, little flower. These came from somewhere. Just leave it at that. And it opens, and again, got a little journaling card, and that just tucks back in there. I mean, how cute is this? So simple. So you can pretty much do different things with the same pocket. So yes, I like it. And this can be used as just a tuck inside, or you can leave it blank on the back and just glue the back. And you can even grab a tag, which I have a tag right here if I can get it out. You just pop it in the back, leave it open. So yeah, this, I'm loving it. I'm loving these. So I only did these 2 because I wanted to do one of each for the tutorial, or not tutorial, show and tell. Here's another one, and I think I've done this before. Just kind of like a little, you could say, library pocket, which I didn't distress the back because I planned to glue this one down. And I just decorated. Went to Michael's yesterday. That little key came from there. These were, you get 6 of them for $2. I didn't think it was bad, so, you know, 4 came with me. A little bingo card, a little postcard that I just shrunk. These 2 came from Pinterest. And then a little flower, a little bit of lace. And then on the inside, I did one of those little sewing pattern inserts that Angie Bunner started all of us. You know, she just went and got everybody crazy. So, of course, everybody had to try it. So did I. So this is one of the cards that came from that collection that I showed you. This is just a double. It's not a three flap. It's just a double. And this is just extra paper. And then this is also another journaling card that came from that paper collection. So yeah, that pops in here. So I thought that was cute. So, I mean, it could be the same page. You could Mod Podge, paper napkin. You can do so much with it, and it's the same pocket, but at the same time, it looks like something different, which is what I like about these. See, this is almost the same pocket, but I just tore the top, and I didn't actually accidentally tore the first one, but I mean, I've done these before, so I did 3. But yeah, look at that. Just with the tear, it just gives it a different look. And it's the same pocket. It's the same pocket. And I just decorated with some of that paper. This one, I think this one came from one of the journaling card pages that I got from Joann's, I think. Some lace, little flower, and these 2 tags came from the paper. No, this came from the paper collection. This is from Pinterest. So those just pop in there. Then, I think I've done this one before too, but I just wanted to show you the way it came out. That came out cute. Just with the little stitching at the top, this little piece of paper. This came from that paper collection. So these are all going to be going to a journal. But I just had to share. This one's a new pocket. I don't think I've shown or used this one. This one is just a little pocket. This is going to be an insert actually. Got a front pocket here. And as you can see, I cut a little strip there so you'd know that the center, you can insert something in there. Which I inserted this tag. That came from Pinterest. I just haven't cut the little hole in to put some ribbon or seam binding, and you flip it over and you still have the same pocket in the back. So I thought that was cool. So it's insert on both sides. I could have decorated both sides, but at the same time, if I use it as an insert, I don't want it to be bulky. It'll be real bulky. So I just left that pretty paper there. And this one I left it open, so you could even insert a little piece of a smaller. Do I have anything here smaller? Not really, but let's see. Will this one fit? Oh, there you go. See, you could even use it as a to tuck something in there. Oops. And this one goes in there. So yeah, I thought these came out so cute. And this was made using 2 pages. So if anybody's interested, I can go ahead and do a video showing how I did this one, but it's using 2 pages. Came out really cute. Did I show this one already? Actually, I think this is the same as the other one. Yeah, I don't know why I did 2 of these, but it came out cute. Isn't it, guys? Look at the little keys. They're small. They're so cute. That's why I had to buy them. And then this pocket, I've shown it before, but I had to show it, you know, because it's cute. And it's the one with the pocket in the front, and then you would insert your tag in the back. And this one's a new one. I did show it on another video. On my last book, I think it had the little reindeer. or deer on the front. I like this. I like it for the nature journal that I want to make. And it's just plain in the back. I don't know if I'm gonna glue it down or insert it, which I'm probably gonna insert it. The flap goes on the around the paper from the bottom page, so I left it open, and you can also tuck a little something in there. But I really like it. I thought it was cute. And I don't have anything on the inside, but I did some of that stitch that you guys probably know what it's called. But it's a long pocket, so you could insert something large in there, which I thought that was cool. I really love this idea. So yes, this one is my last one. And like I said, they're very simple to make, very cute. I just had to share, guys. But going back to the one that I told you that's new, and actually there was another one that was new, and I didn't do it, but I already used it. And I don't even know where I put it at, because I only have the new ones. But let me see. Really, Patty? Really? Okay, why don't I do this? Probably easier. There it is. See? I'm gonna pull the whole thing. I don't know if you guys could see, maybe you guys could see better once which by the way, my sewing machine was acting up. I don't know if you guys could see those little threads the way it is in here. And right there. I don't know. I'm new to the sewing. I'm loving it. I just pulled everything out and cleaned it really well, and I guess it fixed it. I don't know. They did find a few little pieces of thread hair in there. Maybe that was it, because it kind of fixed itself. So now I'm back on track. It's good. But, you know, hey, this is vintage. It'll look cool regardless once it's dressed up and everything. But yeah, this is a pocket. And there's a little inside. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like without the decoration. I mean, I think they look cute like that. I want to make some with paper napkins. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys go now. These will be in a journal. I'm not sure if all of them will be in the same journal. Well, knowing the way I fill them up, probably. But yeah, I just had to share with you guys all my little goodies that I made yesterday, to be exact. And that's all for today. I hope I'm not forgetting anything that I need to tell you guys, but thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys have an amazing rest of the day. God bless you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.